Hello, it's B Moss. I'm going to show you how to get in and out of my car with my lockbox. If you have any issues, hopefully this will help. So I'm going to start it kind of backwards, and this will be how you secure the car for the next guest. So what you'll do is I need you to be on this passenger side rear window because of the proximity of the key fob. Roll it down just a little bit. Set it just like that. Roll the window back up, that way nobody can steal my device. And then I'm gonna leave it just like then. At this point, you'll turn the car off, lock the doors, come and enter my code, insert the key, redo the code, just like that. And just to double check, I'll check the front door right here. It won't open. So now I'll get a little closer to show you the reverse of this. So I walk up to my car, come here, I'll provide the code, I'm going to change it, grab the key, 2 clicks is unlocked.